Hello, this is a Frankenstein project of mine, which basically is converting an M910s or M910t to a M920s or M920t. There are a lot of similarities between the machines, and I'm just going to quickly show you some of the differences and what you'd actually need to do this. I've done this because I managed to get a board cheaper, and I wanted to go from the i5 and i7 7th generation up to at least the 9th generation CPUs, and this seemed to be a fairly affordable way of doing it, as they seem to be quite a bit of money, and this way seemed to work out a little bit cheaper. But anyway, this is a M910s that has been upgraded. There's a few things you've got to bear in mind with this upgrade though. The motherboard is essentially the same, except there's a few things that do need to change. On the front here I have a metal plate. Because it has USB-C there, it has a metal bracket that's slightly different, and also it also picks up the USB standard connectors. I'll actually move down a little bit. So you need a new one of those, and you need a new faceplate like that. Inside the machine, it's all handed. It's identical, except for the fact that the Wi-Fi and the SSD are moved around. So as you can see, the plastic bracket I've got here, which you can barely see down the bottom there, isn't compatible, so you do need a later one of those. And then obviously the I/O shield is different as well. So what I've done is, moving over to the other machine that I'm going to be using as the final machine, what I've done is I have an M910t, which has been upgraded to 920s, and then onto the M920t to become the tower model. But as you can see, what I've done is I've even actually gone a little bit further. I've actually got a ThinkStation P330 front, which essentially is again the same machine. The motherboard is very, very similar to the 920 S&T model, just has an additional graphics port. So as you can see, this needs a new plate there. It will need a new I/O shield, and it will need a new bracket for the SSD. So what I've done is I have bought the correct plate, the correct I/O shield, and also I'm trying to do this one-handed, the correct plastic clip, which means that the Wi-Fi is in the correct place. As you can see, this is going to be a more of a light use gaming workstation. So it's using a GTX 1030 for some very, very basic older games, but I just wanted to get something that was compatible with Windows 11, and something that was a little bit faster than what I already had. But with all that installed, this will be effectively the same as an M920t. Everything except serial number effectively, and some of the badges. I will be relocating the LED on the front, which tucks down there, which goes up there, so that the filter station dot will actually illuminate, but that's a job for another day. But yeah, that is my Frankenstein modification from a M910 or M910T or M910s to a M920T machine. Thank you for watching.